Simple Stories has 6 fantastic new collections coming out for fall and winter, and I am going to show them to you now, so stay tuned. Simple Stories and Carpe Diem's new collections are out and they are fantastic. There are 6 of them. I'm going to go through each element one by one, but I thought the best way to show you the collections was to show you the chipboard stickers here. So I'm going to show you my favorites first, and those are, I'll start with this one. This is the Fall Farmhouse. If you've seen my other videos, you know that Carpe Diem has a Live Simply planner, and that matches the Spring Farmhouse. And this is the fall version. See, they have the same boot but with a different pattern. It's all teals and orange and prettiness. Love it. And my other favorite is one of the Christmas ones, and it's the Holly Jolly collection. It's just really fun and cute and happy. And I love the florals. And this cake is so cute. Love it. And then there's also another Christmas collection, which is more vintage. Actually, it's called Simple Vintage Country Christmas. So that's really pretty. Then there's another fall one, and this is the Simple Vintage Autumn Splendor. So these sort of go along with the same theme as the Fall Farmhouse goes with the Spring Farmhouse. So these colors are really nice. I love them. And then, continuing on with the farmhouse theme, we have the Winter Farmhouse. So this is winter. This is so nice. I actually prefer the fall. I like the colors better, but this is super pretty too. And then I love this one. This is So Happy Together, and it's sort of family orientated and home orientated. There's little houses on the bottom, and I love this plaid. So pretty. Okay, so those are the 6 collections. Now what I'm going to do is to go through each of the elements. So like the washi, the paper, the bows. I'll do each element separately, and you'll get to see each collection for each element. First up, I thought that I would go through the papers. So each set has a bunch of different pattern papers, a sticker sheet, and then a bunch of different cards that you can cut out of the 12 by 12 sheets. Okay, so let's start with the Fall Farmhouse. These are all the papers that come in it. Like I said, I love the teals and the oranges, and I'm going to show you up close what the cut apart sheets look like, so you can see what the elements are in those. And they're so cute, and these are great for tip-ins, or if you want to add to the squares, you can put them as labels or sort of a title on dashboards or in inserts. The papers themselves are great for making dashboards or dividers or TN covers, pockets, folders, anything that you need like a bigger sheet of paper. There are 6 by 8 papers, and I'll be showing those to you in a little bit, that are a bit different, but for now we're going to do the 12 by 12. And then in each collection there is the sticker sheet, and there's so many stickers. They're just so fun. There's also a sticker book, which I'll get to in a minute as well. So again, there you have a little boot, these fun little tabs, and it's just, oh, I love it. I love it. Each collection also comes with a simple basic pack of paper, and there's 6 papers, 6 different colors, and they match the line perfectly. Next up is the Autumn Splendor. These colors, are, again, get me so excited. The teal and the orange mixed with the green. There's butterflies, they're more like moths, but they're super pretty. So I'm going to show you the cards up close. Super cute, super cute. This paper is really cute. And then the stickers for this collection are so pretty. I absolutely adore these colors, and I know that I will be using these in my planner a lot. Yes, so pretty. And again, it comes with a basic paper pack, and you'll see that it matches fairly well with the other fall collection, the Fall Farmhouse. That's what I really like about Simple Stories and Carpe Diem, is their colors go with everything. If you take, for example, like the number sticker tablet, you will be able to find a color that will match whatever collection you're using. For example, here we have the teal, the green, the yellow. You can always find a color to match the collection you're using. Now we're getting into Christmas. I know it's only September, but bear with me. We're not decorating our house. We're just starting to think about Christmas, maybe starting to think about a planner. We're just thinking about it, so don't get cross at me for starting Christmas too soon. Okay, so these are all the papers. I love this. It's kind of like a peppermint, and I love this floral. I'm just going to show you quickly the whole paper. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love it. I think I might cover one of my inserts with this. Then I'm going to show you the cards up close. The cut apart sheets. These would be great for December daily, or if you're counting down to Christmas. Look, there's even little numbers on that one. And then the sticker sheet is here. These are super fun. I love these houses. It's all one border sticker. And the elf socks. So stinking cute. And here's the pack of paper that matches this collection. This is the other Christmas collection, the Simple Vintage Country Christmas, and this is more traditional with the reds and the greens, and I love these plaids. They're so pretty, and that cardinal's really nice. Let's have a look at the cards. So pretty. And then the stickers. Added to the reds and the green is this soft blue, which really, really goes nice. Makes it more of a softer, romantic collection. And again, it has the matching papers, and you'll see that the other Christmas collection matches. Those reds are almost identical. On to the winter farmhouse. These are more darker, richer, like this yellow is a deeper yellow, and the blues are a bit deeper. There are the cards. I love this one. And then the stickers are here. I love the stickers. There's a shovel. That's cute. I didn't see that the first time around. These tabs are really neat, and I love this border. And the little mittens are so fun. And again, you have the matching papers. And last but definitely not least, this one is another favorite. It doesn't have a theme or a season really attached to it. It is sort of home themed, but most of the papers are very general, except for the one with the houses on it. This combination here, I love, like it's just good. It's getting me so excited. I love that combination of colors and the patterns. Really pretty. And the cards are super, super, super nice. And the stickers, again, are really fun. I love this chair. I love this camera, but there's another one in the sticker book. I'm going to show you. I have it marked to show you. It's so pretty. And the globe is fun too. And of course we have the matching papers. How about some embellishments? A little bow just makes your planner. These are the Christmas ones. These are Holly Jolly, and these ones are the Fall Farmhouse. These ones, even though they're Christmas, you could use them in any planner. These ones, if you look really close, has a little bit of holly, and that one is the red and white striped. It's probably the most Christmas one, but honestly, you could use them for any time of year. And these I just absolutely love. This plaid just gets my heart, and I love that orange check as well. Then there's enamel dots, and these are the same collections, the Holly Jolly and the Fall Farmhouse. So you could use these, again, with any collection because they're just colored dots. So those are really great and really, really versatile. What should I show you next? The washi? No, okay, I'm going to show you the papers. So these are the 6x8 paper pads, and the difference between these and the big 12x12 papers is that you can use these, you can cut these up a lot easier. They're a lot easier to handle, to make dashboards and dividers and things like that. Also, these ones have quotes on them. They have a whole, it's like a dashboard all on its own, and you just trim it to whatever size you need if you are in like a Hobonichi or like a Tien. So those are really fun. I find they're a lot easier to handle when you're making little embellishments or little pockets and things than a big 12x12 piece of paper. That one was the Simple Vintage Country Christmas. This one is the Simple Vintage Autumn Splendor. And the colors of these papers, I'm just so in love. And see, again, you have dashboardy type quotes and things that you can use the whole page, and there's other papers that you can cut up as well. This I have marked because I grew up in Nova Scotia. I grew up going to Prince Edward Island every summer, and Anne of Green Gables was just part of my life. Megan Follows was a huge hero of mine when I was young. So I was so happy to see an Anne of Green Gables quote in the Autumn Splendor book. Next up is the Holly Jolly. These are super pretty. I love, look how nice that would look in your planner. Also with these are some cut apart sheets, so you can use these as tip-ins or anything else, maybe a title on a dashboard or something, so those are really fun as well. Next up is the Fall Farmhouse. I'll give a quick little flip through these. The thing with these papers is they're the same designs as the ones in the big 12x12, but a lot of them are scaled down, and the scale is smaller. When you're using them to scrapbook with, you kind of want a bigger scale, but with a smaller canvas of a planner, it's nice to have the scale of the patterns a bit smaller. Let me show you what I mean. For example, you can see with this one that these flowers are a lot smaller than these flowers, so it's more to scale with a planner than it is with a scrapbook. Okay, that's it for the 6x8 paper pads. Let's move on to the sticker books. Now these sticker books are mini sticker tablets, so they're a lot smaller. Let me show you that number sticker tablet again so you can see the difference. Now I really like that they are minis. For example, winter, Christmas, fall, it's only around for a limited amount of time compared to, say, a numbers tablet when you can use all these stickers all year round. But you're only going to need this one for 3 months out of the year. So I love that it's sort of a compact collection where you don't have as many leftovers at the end of the season. Now the thing that I'm most excited about is that these mini sticker tablets come with alphabets. They do. I'm so excited. Look at all these pretty stickers. There's lots of phrases and some boxes and other stickers and snowflakes and just, yeah, so cute and versatile. Most of them come with a page like this with labels and flags and things that you can use in your planner. On to Holly Jolly, which is probably my favorite of all the sticker books. So you've got some alphas again, and some icons and other pictures, some boxes, some phrases, and wait for it, 2 sets of numbers in red and green. And then some more phrases, and these are the great little tabs and labels and things. And then another set of numbers. So you can count down to Christmas or use them to date your planner or whatever you want them to. Plus it's general enough that you can use these any month of the year if you don't use them for Christmas, because if you've got 3 sets, you may not need 3 sets, so you can use them again because they aren't specifically Christmas. There's no Christmas pictures or icons on the numbers, so they're very versatile. These I love because if you look closely, I love the fonts that they use for this. It's just so pretty and fun and just the way off. I don't know, I love it. I love it. And then also my other favorite for this are these florals. Poinsettias mixed with other flowers. I use washi as a tab so I know which pages I want to show you. And then there's some more boxes and some more pictures. Super cute. And then there's the vintage country Christmas. Got some phrases here. These again with another fun font, and these colors are fantastic. And then you have, this is a more Christmas themed numbers, but again, you don't have the pictures. The holly is a separate sticker. Like this is a separate sticker. It's not on the 27, for example, or the 25. So you can use these stickers again, even though I would say these are a little bit more Christmas themed than the other book. Some circles, some labels, all kinds of fun stuff. There's the numbers again. Again, these colors are a bit more traditional, so you could still use them again throughout the year, but not as, I don't find them as versatile as the ones in the Holly Jolly. More boxes, phrases, and there's your labels and flags. On to Fall Farmhouse. Again with the alpha, some phrases. These again are really nice with the fonts, boxes, other stickers, some pretty florals, some phrases and pictures and phrases, and there's your little labels and flags, boxes, and more stickers. There's that boot again. So fun. Autumn Splendor. These are my favorite colors. I love these colors. I love them. Lots of stickers. I like the pumpkins. There's your alpha. Nice teal. And this, instead, it's the same as the Christmas, but instead of numbers, you've got another alpha. 2 more alphas. You can mix them so that the colors aren't always the same. More boxes. Oops. Some phrases, and there are your flags and labels. Last but definitely not least is So Happy Together. Oops. Those are super pretty. Love them. Florals. And this one I want to show you that camera. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, I love it. Especially on that gingham. So cute. That's why I have that. The washi tab there. There's your flags and labels. And of course you have an alpha. So that's the sticker tablets. Should we do washi? What do we have left? We have one. Okay, I'm going to do the die cuts and then we'll do the washi. Okay, so I've got lots of packs of die cuts. I'm just going to show you the backs. These are my favorites, so I'm going to save those for last. So here's the Country Christmas. This is one of 2 from Autumn Splendor. I think there might be 2 for each of them. This is the second one from the Country Christmas, and it's a bunch of numbers. This is the main one from Holly Jolly. So fun. The Winter Farmhouse. The main one from Autumn Splendor. Another Country Christmas. So Happy Together. Fall Farmhouse. Now what I like about these ones is all the same. These are called journal bits and pieces. These are called ephemera bits and pieces, the rest of them, but these ones are called journal bits and pieces. And the reason I love them is because they're all labels and tabs and places to write. So they're absolutely perfect for your planner. So this one was the Winter Farmhouse. Then this is the Fall Farmhouse. I love it. I think this one's my favorite. No, this one's my favorite. I think. I don't know. I love them all. I love them all. So this is the So Happy Together. Yeah, this one's my favorite. I love that heart and the Holly Jolly. And this one's really fun. This will be great in your Christmas planner. Okay, so now last but definitely not least is the washi. So I only have washi for 4 of the collections so far, and I don't think I need to tell you what you can use washi for. And if you are stuck with lots of washi, I do have a playlist of washi videos, and I'm going to put that right up there. There's also a new one coming, not next week, but the week after. So that'll be my 3rd one, and I have another one coming in the works. I think it's in October. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. But in the meantime, once you're finished watching this video, go watch the other washi ones so you can get some ideas. Okay, so let's go through these. This is the Fall Farmhouse, and it's got a floral, a stripe, and that orange gingham check that I absolutely adore. Then we have the Autumn Splendor, which has this nice rust and burgundy floral, pumpkin with some bees, and then these oak leaves and acorns. Next up is the Holly Jolly, and these are simple and very Christmassy. This one's probably the least Christmassy. It's like that bow that I showed you before, and it's sort of a floral, and then you have this green one with holly and then a red snowflake. That reminds me of when I did Vlogmas last year. And now we're on to the Country Christmas, and these I love. I love this plaid. It's so fun, and plus since the colors match, I can use that with Holly Jolly as well. And then this one, some deer and some trees, and this one has music notes and poinsettia. So there you have it, 6 fantastic collections for you to use in your planner. If you want to see how I use them, I think I'm going to be using this one first, the Fall Farmhouse, so stay tuned for next week. I'm going to be setting up my planner for fall. I know fall is coming, only 3 weeks left of summer, so make sure you make the most of it before we're hit with fall. Actually, fall is my favorite. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I use lots of Carpe Diem Simple Story products in my videos, and I give you lots of tips and tricks on how to use these products. I also have videos on how to keep you motivated, organized, and videos on how to go after your goals and dreams. So make sure you subscribe below with the big red button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these products, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite collection of the 6 are. Have a fantastic day and happy planning!